How to make your own GIFs on TikTok. Want to turn TikTok clips into GIFs? Here's how to make your own GIFs directly inside TikTok. So first, go ahead and open the TikTok app and find the video you want to convert into a GIF. So go ahead and look for a video you want to convert to GIF, and then go ahead and click on this share button, which should basically find at the bottom right of the video. So from there, you'd find the make your own GIF option at the very bottom once you scroll right. So click on this make a GIF or share as EJF, and that will take you here. And here, select create video character, and that will take you here. So you can go ahead and crop the part of the video that you want to create as a GIF, and then select create sticker and tap Save GIF to download it to your gallery or share directly to chats and social apps. The fastest workflow is open TikTok, share as GIF, trim, save or share. Perfect for memes, reactions, and content promotion.